Hey everyone, well it happened again. I opened my door and another mystery watch package had been delivered and I have absolutely no idea what it is. So in today's episode we're going to open it up, unbox it and find out what watch has arrived at Beer & Watches today. Now, time's are ticking, so let's get stuck in. Matt Johnson here. I'm your host of my YouTube channel Beer & Watches, where I bring you the very best in watch news, watch reviews and craft beer brews every Monday, Wednesday and Friday. How was your weekend, everyone? Hope you all had a great weekend and managed to kick back, relax, enjoy your favorite beers, wear your favorite watch and drink responsibly. Before we get into today's unboxing of this mystery watch package that arrived at my door today, I do want to mention a couple of things. First of all, the watch I'm wearing on my wrist today. This is the Rival Renegade carbon fiber watch that I got from eBay. And I did a review of this watch on my channel, and if you want to check out that review, I'll put a link in the description below this video. It's worth checking out. I also tell you how you can get great deals on eBay. Now, as for the beer I'm going to try today, let's go into the bar fridge and grab a beer. This one is the Ginger Beard Fiery Alcoholic Ginger Beer from the Witchwood Brewery in the UK. It's 4.2% of gingery goodness. I figured that the ginger beard on the bottle, well, although mine's not ginger, it is a pretty big hefty beard, so I thought that kind of matched. Wow, that is unusual, guys. It's definitely got a lot of ginger in there. That is for sure. It's kind of a ginger beer with ginger in it. Is it ginger beer or beer with ginger in it? I'm not sure. So let's just say it's beer infused with ginger that gives it a refreshing and spicy finish. I think that's the best way to describe it. If you want to check out this beer, you can go to witchwood.co.uk. I'll also put that link in the description below this video. It's pretty interesting, different. You either love it or hate it. I think it's kind of cool. Now, the last thing I want to mention before we unbox this mystery beauty is that on Friday, I started the Vogel watch giveaway. If you want to enter that contest, you have to be subscribed to my channel, and I'll put a link in the description below this video. That contest started on Friday and it ends in 2 weeks. Don't miss it, because it's the opportunity to build your own watch online and receive it for free. Now, without further ado, let's swing this camera around and unbox this mystery watch and find out what came into Beer & Watches today. Okay, just in case you've ever wondered what I'm looking at while I'm filming these close-ups and reviews, that is what I'm looking at. I've got my fireplace on the TV there. I've got my VR headset over there because I love virtual reality. I'm kind of a big nut. I'm curious, does anybody out there of my subscribers and fans love virtual reality? If you do, let me know in the comment section below. Lights over there. See, this is what I'm looking at when I film. Let's go down to the package here and let's unbox this bad boy. Now, I have absolutely no idea what this is because I have a whole bunch of watches and watch straps and watch winders coming in from all kinds of different companies at the moment, so I don't know what's happening, which one's arriving when. Let's take a look. It's like Christmas. All right, so we'll unbox this. We've got a big box in there. I see that. It says modding kit. I don't know exactly what this is. A little bit of plastic, so we'll get that out of the way. Wow, this is a huge watch box. What can it be? Let's take a look. No clues yet. Oh, look at this. I've been waiting for this watch to come in. The Mint watch. Now, this is not going to be a full review today. This is just an unboxing to take a look at what's arrived, and then the full review will come on, well, let's say Wednesday. Today's Monday, so we'll do a full review of this on Wednesday. How's that? We've got a thank you card there from the team at Mint Watches. We've got a really cool microfiber cleaning cloth with the Mint logo on there. This box is beautiful. It's got a sponge kind of velour velvet top to it. What is this? Wow, I have no idea what this is. Now, I should mention that this watch has been sent to me for review, and I do have to send the watch back. Oh, this is basically the standard operations of the watch, how to set the watch, strap removal, bezel removal, because you can actually switch the bezel out on this, which is very cool. So all of that is there. Here inside is a little bit more packing stuff, and look at that. We've got the warranty card. Wow, that is actually, can you hear this? That is solid stainless steel. I have never seen a warranty card as heavy as this. If you guys could feel the weight of this, I've got to say, this is great packaging. from Mint. I love this. There's the watch. Beautiful, beautiful watch. The Mint Defender. The bezel comes off this. I have no idea how that works, but we're going to figure it out. A screw down crown. It's got an exhibition case back so we can see the automatic movement inside. Very lovely, beautiful, highly polished looking watch. Again, we're not doing the review today. This is just an unboxing to take a look at what we've received. And then we've got a little tab to pull this up, and look at that. It is like Christmas. Now, I should mention that all of this is kind of flailing around in here. It's just kind of been thrown in. This is not the way that the Mint watches would arrive to you. This is a demo model that's been sent to me, so it's already been reviewed by another reviewer, and I guess they just didn't put everything back properly, or maybe everything just fell out. I don't know. It's got all the tools. It's got different watch straps. It's got different bezels to modify and change the look of the watch. I will clean all that up and sort everything out for the review on Wednesday so I can give you a proper unboxing and review of this watch. Anyway, there it is. That's what came in today. Looks beautiful, nice and solid and heavy. I think this is going to be a great review. So there you have it, everybody. The Mint Evolution watch from the folks over at Mint Watches. If you want to go check them out and their line of watches, you can go to mintevolution.com. I'll put that link right here. I'll also put it in the description below this video. You know the deal. I'm looking forward to reviewing this on my channel on Wednesday, which means today is Monday, so on Tuesday, I nearly said Thursday. On Tuesday, I've got my work cut out for me because I've got to learn how to use this watch, how to change the bezel, how to change the straps, learn the ins and outs, learn the specs of the watch. I'm going to do all of that homework for you, my loyal subscribers and followers, so that you get an unbiased and full review of this watch in case you want to buy one and spend your hard-earned money. Because let's be honest, if you are going to do that, you want to know what you're buying. So I'll do all that homework for all of you so that you don't have to do it. And that episode will be coming on Wednesday. So thanks again to the folks over at Mint for sending the watch for review. I really appreciate it. And again, as I mentioned, I don't get paid for this review and I do have to send the watch back. So thanks so much. Go grab yourself some ginger beer, kick back, relax, and we'll see you Wednesday. If you haven't seen it yet, click on this video right here. That's a good one. And click on the Beer and Watches logo right there to subscribe. Cheers. Take care, everybody. Bye for now.